Welcome to stylish student living at June Homes, 11213, your comfy abode in vibrant New York. Your new lavish non-ensuite comes with a cloud-like bed for dreamy sleeps, premium hardwood floors, and tons of storage space. Whip up deliciousness in the fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher for easy cleanup. Skip urgent laundromat runs with laundry facility available on site. There's cool AC in fully furnished common areas, so hanging out with friends is coupled with maximum comfort. You can bring your wheels along too. There's bike storage and street parking available. Plus, the radiator heating system provides a cozy environment and an extra level of comfort during cooler months. Nestled in exciting Kings County, this property puts you just a few minutes from Brooklyn College and Brooklyn Law School by car. Hop on the subway from Kingston Avenue or catch a bus from St. John's Place. Travelling around the city made easy. Explore a world of culinary delights with popular cafes all around. So grab your spot at June Homes 11213 New York today through amberstudent.com.